Here's a 2008 Honda Odyssey. From hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you want. It's well equipped with the features you need. Fold-into floor seat, rear air conditioning with separate controls, AM/FM stereo radio, auxiliary audio input, power windows, air conditioning, V6 engine, rear lip spoiler, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver reports sheet metal now appears shrink-wrapped indeed. Panel gaps have been reduced by up to 1.5 millimeters, giving the Odyssey an athletic stance that is emphasized by a tauter rear end and a sportier front fascia with dual projector beam headlights. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
At Rochester Car Clearance Center, you get our best price, bottom line. We are conveniently located on Highway 14 West, near West Circle Drive.